Are you tired of your carrot seeds not germinating, or you're getting this patchy germination? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 100% germination. My name is Bridget, and this is the Sherwood Urban Farm. The main reason why one's seeds don't germinate properly, or carrot seeds that is, or they don't germinate at all, is because these are such small little seeds. And then you have to cover them quite lightly. I mean, the packaging says 5 millimeters, that's half a centimeter. So then what often happens is the soil will dry out on the top, and then as the little seeds are maybe starting to germinate, then it dries out and then they die. And then you don't get proper germination, or you get patchy germination. So in my method is actually not my method. I learned it from Hew Richards' channel. And I find that this is the most successful method in germinating carrot seeds. So the first thing that I do is I level the soil out a bit. I use a plank, and then I use the plank, the side of the plank, and I make a little drill all the way down. Of course, you got to make sure that your soil is wet before you do this. So we've been receiving quite a bit of rain, so the soil is wet already. So I'm not going to wet the soil, but you would first wet your soil before you actually put your seeds in. When I sow the seeds, then I just pinch it, a bunch of seeds, and I sprinkle them along the drill. As one would possibly do salt or something, you just sprinkle it lightly along the drill. Not too many, otherwise there's a whole lot that you have to pick out. And then I will cover it. They say 5 millimeters, but I think I probably do double that. I probably cover it with about 1 centimeter. And then this is where the trick comes in. I cover it then with this plank, and I'll stand on it, and just to like really secure it so that there isn't air gaps underneath. And that is it. Now, carrot seeds will germinate between 7 and 14 days, but that also depends on what season you're in. So at the moment we're in winter, so it will take longer. It takes about a week or so for the carrot seeds to germinate in winter. But in summer, I've found that they can germinate within 3 or 4 days. So you want to be checking regularly to see when they have germinated. Then what I do is I'll take a little stones or something, and I'll just lift it off once they've germinated, that is. Just lift it off so that they can stand up nicely, the little seedlings. And then after a few days of that, then I'll take the plank right off, and then they can carry on growing like that. Well, now you know how to get 100% germination on your carrot seeds. I hope you have a fabulous harvest and enjoy your carrots straight out of the garden. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day further.